India's ace shuttler Jwala Gutta has once again hit out at national coach Pulela Gopichand, accusing him of favoritism and selecting players for national duty only if they are part of his academy. Jwala also going on to slam the Badminton Federation of India, saying that doubles is ignored and given stepmotherly treatment.
They put up India's second-best performance at Glasgow. Returning home after winning silver medal at Commonwealth Games, Jwala Gutta has once again trained her guns at Saina Nehwal's coach Pulela Gopichand, blaming the national coach for their failure in Glasgow.
Chief coach is supposed to be responsible for the whole of the country. Okay, but that's not the case right now.
So who is he holding himself responsible for? The ones from his academy?
Only and only. That's very evident. You could see.
This is not the first time Jwala Gutta has charged Gopichand of favoritism, targeting players including Saina Nehwal, who trained at the Gopichand Academy. Majority of the badminton players part of the Indian contingent at Glasgow have been coached by former All England champion.
It's hurting the event I play, and I'm the first one in my event to do so well at the international level. So I would like that after me, I want the juniors to do better than me. So because of all this discrimination, I don't want the doubles event where India was never known.
In fact, the ace shuttler also lashing out at the Badminton Federation for giving doubles stepmotherly treatment.
You don't give the kind of importance doubles is supposed to get. It's doubles is just not event. It's not just an event where two singles players retire and then play doubles. It's not that. Doubles is pretty serious in badminton.
With Jwala Gutta once again launching a stinging attack on Gopichand, another rift is brewing in Indian badminton. With Nikhil Joshi in Hyderabad, Sagarika Mitra for Times Now.